Hello? 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami. Welcome to Get Ready With Me full face makeup tutorial. I was going to do my makeup at my desk, but we do have a little, quite large friend there that I do not believe I do want to do my makeup with. Yeah. It's a centipede. So I might do my makeup in the living room. Oh my gosh, Brian's gonna catch it for me.
씨발 잠깐만.
너무 큰데?
그러니까 어떡하지?
진짜 커. 쳐봐.
어딨어? 아래 내려갔는데?
떨어졌어.
기다려봐. 어디 있어? 어디 갔어?
있는 거 아니야?
없어졌어.
없어졌어.
근데 좀 백 치워봐. 백.
거기 있다.
여기 있어?
도망간다. 잡아. 아, 징그러워.
빨리 집어넣는다 이제.
안 돼.
어떻게 그럼?
그렇게 하다가 쓰레기통으로. 아니, 변기로.
오케이, 내가 집을게.
Resuming the program, I can now do my makeup. Let's zoom you in. Let's start with prepping my sponge. I'm going to wet this sponge and it's going to turn big and poofy. Success. I'm using the YSL All Hours foundation and I'm going to put one pump on each side to cover my imperfections. And then the All Hours concealer I'm going to put on my spots that are still peeking through. This one has like a precision tip that I really like. And I'm just going to dot it and blend it out. It's like a mustache. I don't like to put concealer under my eyes because I like some more dimension down there. So I'm going to put my blush, which is the Make Me Blush Liquid Blush from YSL, on my cheeks a little bit higher and blend this out. I'm also going to place some on the tip of my nose and on my chin. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to apply this brow pencil from NYX onto my under eye area to highlight my aegyo. And this is going to create more definition towards the center of my face and fill in the long mid face that I have. It already brings the focus down a little bit more, like that. And then I'm going to apply my IT Cosmetics brow pencil. This one's a little bit darker. The one from NYX I used was called Taupe. This one's more like a dark brown. And I'm going to create a lower third for the same reason. And increase my eye shape and eye size. Like so. I'm going to pull this out slightly so that it elongates my eye shape and blend it so it doesn't pass my eyebrow. I'm also going to elongate my crease so that my eye looks bigger, just a tad bit like that, and blend it out. And then I'm going to bring some more focus back to the center of the eye by outlining the inner corner ever so slightly. Then tightline with a black pencil. This one's from ColourPop. The reason why I'm tightlining is I don't want my makeup to look too dark. So I'm going to tightline the whole eye and create a tiny wing over my tattoo eyeliner. Then I'm going to set everything with the Leave Girl Bare eyeshadow palette that I got from Temu. And I'm going to highlight and contour with the appropriate shades. Ah, I'm running out of battery. And this is gonna set all the cream that I placed down. Then to add a little bit of pop, I'm using ColourPop's shadow stick in Juicy Gossip. And this one's like a pinky iridescent shade. I'm gonna place this on my inner corners, my lower lash line, and right above. Of course, my camera ran out of battery, so now I have to film showing you the finishing steps with my phone. Before I curl my lashes, I like to spray my setting spray. This is the All Nighter from Urban Decay, but I put it in my NYX scratched up mini travel size thing, and I forgot to actually contour my face a bit, so I'm gonna use my eyeshadow and contour my jaw. I'm using the It Cosmetics dual-ended brush because it has a really nice fluffy application. I like to take my contour also down my neck here so it creates more definition. My jowls. And then just a tiny bit on the nose. Since your girl had rhinoplasty, I don't like to put too much here. It was actually a septo rhinoplasty because I couldn't breathe. But you know, they made it taller, so I don't really like to put too much contour on my nose. Now I'm gonna set my face. Ugh. I let this dry completely before moving on to my lashes. I actually don't like to do my brows because I find that I like to keep them natural with my eyebrow tattoo, microblading underneath, and then I just let them grow because the shape that my microblade artist put on my brows is really perfect. I'll put her information in the description. She's located in Gangnam, South Korea, and she does an amazing job. Her Instagram is so beautiful too. After curling my lashes, I'm going to, and I use Shu Uemura's eyelash curler because I find that the shape of the curve is perfect for flatter eyes. And I'm going to apply the Rare Beauty mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It volumizes and lengthens and doesn't smudge throughout the day. So I'm gonna apply this just on my top lashes because my bottom lashes don't exist anyways. I like to go on like back and forth motion so that I get some spikes created, and those spikes are where I'm gonna apply my individual lashes. I want my eye look to look pretty natural this evening, so I'm just gonna apply 5 spikes to each eye. These are my A-type lashes that I got from Temu, and I'm going to take 1 spike at a time, apply some glue on the top of it, and apply it underneath my lash spike. Let me see if I can get you closer. I'm gonna grab 1 of these spikes like this. Just, can you see? Barely. Just grab 1. Apply my Kiss Lash adhesive right on the bottom or the top of the spike, and then apply it to the bottom of my lash spike. I like to start in the middle to place where I want the main focus to be. Like so. And I'll show you what it looks like with all 5 on. Before, after. Now when I apply the other side, I'm gonna double check where the lashes start on my natural lashes by using my iris as a anchoring point. And I like to apply the glue along the length of the lash, my natural lash first, so that I can get a good application. There we go. I think I'm gonna add 1 more between my middle one and the second last one, just to create more dimension. The last lash. Who's gonna have the last lash? It's not last laugh, it's last lash. Perfect. And then for my lip combo, oh my gosh, who is she? I'm going to use my Dior Lip Glow Lip Balm as a base. This was a Christmas gift. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna apply this all over my lips to moisturize. And it is color changing. It matches to your lip color and adds a little bit of pinky tone. And then I'm gonna use Lancome's, what is this? Number 30, their Lip Idol lipstick. And I'm going to outline my bottom lip. It's a My Lips But Better lip. And then overline my Cupid's bow. And then overline my outer corners. And it creates this dolly lip. Ta-da! I'm gonna top off with Giorgio Armani's Lip Prisma Gloss. It's in number 4. And as you can see, this is one of my favorite lip glosses. I'm almost out. But I'm just gonna place this really, really, really specifically on the bottom center and the top center. This is gonna give my lips that juicy lip look. That's it for today's get ready with me makeup tutorial. I'm really happy with the result. I think it looks really cute and natural, but also has that full face effect. I think because I left my brows blank, it gives it more of like a natural look. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.